that ran on the Virginia and Truckee Railroad in Nevada from the 1870s through the 1940s. The Reno locomotive was nicknamed Brass Betsy for all her shiny brass decorations. Our steam train was built in 1959 for the Oregon Centennial Exposition and named Oregon. It really is a steam locomotive. Diesel fuel burns in the firebox, which boils the water, creating steam to make the engine go. You will see how hard the Oregon works later in the ride as we make our way back up the 4% grade back to the station. This is a 30-inch narrow gauge railroad, meaning there are only 30 inches between the rails. Rails for a standard gauge railroad are 56.5 inches apart. In fact, all of our cars and locomotives are just over half the size of a standard train.
Do you want to be here on the other side?
Out to the right, you can see two of our newest habitats, which opened timely first.
The polar bear, remember?
So you can see everything? Saving water and energy. Passage including innovative
Oh, get your hands up. Get your hands up. Okay. Get your hands in.
reducing energy costs. Other new improvements were made possible thanks to a public bond supported by our community. Past Polar Passage, on the other side of the crossing, is the north section of Elephant Land.
That's the
Oregon
elephant.
is known for Asian
If you're
elephants.
sent with me here.
The habitat was designed to provide our elephant family interesting
stand up.
activities, lots of choices all day
I'm
long.
gonna hold you.
Elephant Land
Because you can't
features
see.
around 6 acres of varied terrain with time feeders and
Wow.
other items to encourage natural foraging behavior. The shelter provides cooling mist in hot weather and infrared heat in cold weather. Beyond it, a 160,000-gallon swimming pool provides hours of fun and exercise for the elephant family. You can also visit Elephant Forest Hall, one of the largest indoor elephant areas in the world.
Look, look. Oh, the forest over there.
We're starting across a steel trestle that replaced a wooden trestle that was part of the original track plan when the zoo was designed in the mid-1950s. Put in 1962, the wooden trestle was only used until 1968, when train operations were changed and the trestle was no longer needed. The wooden structure continued to stand here in the woods until it was torn down in 2014 to make way for this steel structure. The trestle offers a unique view of the north habitat of Elephant Land out of the left side of the train. During Zoo Lights, our annual holiday festival of lights that runs from around Thanksgiving through New Year's, this trestle is decked out in holiday lights, as is the rest of the zoo.
You see it?
Of animals, the new clinic accommodates each animal's special needs. Opened in 2012, it was the first bond-funded project. Many features of the building save water and energy, including the big silver tank that captures rainwater for reuse.
Look on the other side here.
On your right, over near the black poles and under the netting, is the home of our California condors. These highly endangered birds haven't been seen in the wild in Oregon since the early 1900s. Oregon Zoo is helping bring condors back from the brink of extinction by raising them in a remote wildlife center in Plaquemine County. We currently have 14 pairs of breeding
the train is going to choo choo.
Come on, let's get out.